how to list NFTs on Mintcad and go to the unlisted NFT page. Here, click on this sell button. This is the listing page. First, let's try a set price listing. Enter the desired price, choose a duration and click complete listing. If this is your first time listing an NFT on Mintcad, you will have to pay a one-time gas fee. All future listing is free. Now your item is listed. Let's try an auction listing. Cancel this listing first. Here, click on auction and choose English auction from this drop-down. Set a minimum bid price and a reserve price. A reserve price is the price at which the item will be sold at the end of an auction. Click on complete listing. As you can see, listing was free this time. Let's cancel this and try listing it as a Dutch auction method. Dutch auctions keep dropping the price from start to final ending price. Click on auction and choose Dutch from this drop-down. Enter the starting price and ending price. Make sure the starting price is larger. Click on complete listing and the item is listed. As you can see, the price is continuing to fall and will finish dropping at the chosen end price. If you found this video helpful, sign up on Mintcad today. This is the start of your 3D printable empire.